In this video, I'll be showing you that it is possible to earn a hefty amount of money with just one click. Yes, it all takes just one click and you can see your money grow in no time. Unlike other people through this method, you can actually earn a limitless amount of money by simply using your phone or computer. You don't need any complicated technological skills or expertise, nor do you need to create any videos or websites, nor do you need any social media followers to get started, because this method is simple, free, and accessible from anywhere around the world. Just imagine yourself having financial freedom just by doing simple online money-making methods in which you can provide for yourself, your wants, buying any other material things that you need, a house, a car, or whatever it is that you can think of. If you have financial freedom, you can provide for your family, you can pay for the bills, your child's school tuition, and everything else that your family requires, and you can achieve all that by simply doing the simple method that I will show you today. So make sure to stay with me till the end. But before going further into this video, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and hit the like button. Press the notification bell so it will notify you whenever we upload a new video. And lastly, feel free to leave a comment below. To begin, go to Entireweb.com. Now this website is entirely new and is similar to Google. That is why they are paying anyone who can generate clicks that will lead them to their site. They are attempting to encourage more people to click on their provided links so that they can generate traffic on their website and earn money from it. As you can see on their homepage, there is a 3-line icon. Click on it and then click on Affiliates. You will then be redirected to this page where you will see this: earn up to this amount for every click. Already sounds simple, right? Also, because I'm feeling generous today, I'm going to give you tips and tricks on how you can maximize this earning potential and gradually turn it into something passive. As you can see, you get paid for every click you produce on this platform, and to emphasize, this technique is open to everyone and anywhere around the world. Once you have completed the procedures, you can cash out your earnings using PayPal, which is why it is vital to have a PayPal account. You won't be able to cash out your profits if you don't have a PayPal account. According to the platform, they pay affiliates using PayPal and all earnings will be paid at the end of the month for the previous month. All payments are made in US dollars and the minimum payout is this amount. So to get started, simply enter your PayPal's email address and you're good to go. Now to stir up your interest, this site works in exactly the same manner as Google's search engine. You may use this website to look for anything that you desire. You may simply type in whatever topic or term you wish to study or learn about. And these platforms will provide you with the most accurate and relevant material possible. For example, if I type in money making, I'll be redirected to this page, which will display all of the search results that are related to the topic or keyword that I've just entered. Using this method, we can become the website's promoter, or in their terms, an affiliate, and help them achieve their aim of building trust from visitors to their site, allowing you to make a lot of money as easy as cake. But before we go any deeper, I'll give you some time to subscribe to the channel and give it a big thumbs up if you've enjoyed the video thus far. And if you found this information interesting and informative, please leave a comment below. Now let's get back to the video. To simplify how this website works, let's say if you refer someone to use the platform and experiment with it, you will make a good amount of money for only one person. What if you influence hundreds or thousands of people who have clicked on the search engine? That literally means a large sum of money is going your way. So let's start by signing up. To do this, simply click this button right here. After doing so, you'll be redirected to this page where you provide them with necessary information to fill up your registration. Just make sure you have your own PayPal account so that you can get paid. If unsure, you can check the other payment methods that they offer. Once you've filled out all of the required information, you'll just have to read the terms and conditions, and if you agree, simply click on this button to complete your registration. Once you've joined up, you will be sent to your dashboard just like this one right here. But before you do anything else, you must first secure your unique link, which you will publicly publish all over the internet to make money. For this link will direct your potential clickers to the entire web in order for you to progress. We'll also need a short script that you'll use to promote your unique link. To do this, go to Google Docs and create a new page where you can write anything that will entice people to click your link. Another option is to search for a ready-made script on Google. But if you have the time, just make your own. Imagine a little effort you put into making the script will pay off big time in the near future. Now that you've finished your script in Google Docs, you may download it in PDF format by clicking the button right here. And then we'll go into our next platform, slideshare.net, where we'll publish our completed script short article with a link on it. This platform is ridiculous, with hundreds of millions of views every day from people all over the world. It's a traffic source that will allow you to advertise any link. You want to thousands of people every day for free. To get started, register for an account by clicking this button right here. After that, choose a file you wish to advertise and give it a title that will pique people's interest so a lot of people will click on it. Once you've completed all of the details, simply click this button to publish your script and article, and that's it. Now all you have to do is wait and watch your money grow. This is a win-win situation for everyone. The entire web gains new clients or clickers, and the clicker gets to search for whatever they want, and for you, all you have to do is to follow those simple steps so you can sit back and watch as your money starts to pour in. That's it! If you love similar content like this, feel free to take a look at our other videos, and if you like it, please hit the like button. Make sure you subscribe to the channel and press the notification bell so you won't miss out on any of our videos. So what do you think about these websites? Is it an excellent opportunity to make money online? Do you think it will be able to replace our jobs in the future as our primary source of income? Share your thoughts and opinions in the comment section below, and I'll see you in the next video.